Let us study anion. For understanding anions, we will require non-metals. Let us take some non-metals. Second period, we'll take the elements from second period. Lina, Beena, broad, cashew, nuts on Friday night. We'll take nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Period, this is the second period. Second period have two shells. One is K shell, which has 2 electrons, and L shell, which has remaining electron. The capacity of L shell is maximum 8 electron. Now, nitrogen is 7, oxygen is having 8 atomic number, fluorine is having 9. Because they belong to the second period, they have two shells. First shell, second shell. First shell, second, two shells they have. Let us arrange electrons in these shells. Always there are 2 electrons in the first shell. We have arranged 2 electrons in all the shells. One, here out of 7, 2 are arranged, 5 remaining. Out of 8, 2 arranged, 6 remaining. Out of 9, 2 arranged, 7 are remaining. Let us arrange the remaining electrons also. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five, 6, 7. Now, the story over here is a bit different. When there are 5 electrons in the last shell, it tries to complete, these all try to become stable. For stability, they try to complete 8 electrons. Try to have, all of them, they try to have 8 electrons in the last shell. To have the 8 electrons in the last shell means they try to become stable. For stability, they try to have 8 electrons in the last shell. So, nitrogen is having 5, it will take 3 electrons. It is taking 3 electrons, so valency will be 3. It is having 6, it will try to take 2 electrons and become 8, so valency will be 2. This one will take 1 electron, valency will be 1. Took 1 electron, 7 plus 1 will be 8, it will be stable. 6 plus 2 will be 8, it will be stable. 5 plus 3 will be 8, it will be stable. So let us add these electrons which they have taken. Now this one is going to take 3 to complete 8, to complete octet. So here 1, 2, 3, 8 is completed. This one will take 2 to complete altogether 8 electrons in the last shell. This one will take 1 to complete 8 electrons in the last shell. Now, so nitrogen took 3 electrons. It is shown by N3 minus. Oxygen took 2 electrons. It is shown by O2 minus. Fluorine took 1 electron. It is shown by F minus. Now, N minus 3, 2 O oxygen 2 minus and fluorine minus 1. These are all ions. These are charged particles. These are charged particles and have gained electrons. Have gained electrons to become stable. To become stable, they have gained electrons and have become negative in charge, and are called anions. Mostly non-metals, they gain electron gain electrons to become stable, and they gain electron to become stable and become gain electrons to become stable and become negative in charge and are called cation, sorry, and are called anions, and are called anions.